Preparing to Teach in the Lifelong Learning Sector by Anne Gravel's Book Review. If you're looking for a teaching book and scouring through the library to find a book that will make sense of teaching in a nutshell, then this book is for you. Preparing to Teach in the Lifelong Learning Sector by Anne Gravel's. I cannot recommend this book enough. So you're a new teacher and you don't know where to start. Check out Anne Gravel's Preparing to Teach in the Lifelong Learning Sector. This book is ideally made for the post-16 sector. However, because it's so good, some of the content can also be applied to under-16s. For example, how to motivate a learner, why some learners are demotivated. During my teacher training, this was my go-to book. It's simply clear and direct. It also provides many examples. The book has a section on motivation, how to motivate students and the things that can stop them from learning. This book also introduces many theories along the way, giving clear examples as to why certain methods are being used. For example, Maslow's hierarchy and Bloom's taxonomy. All in all, I think it's one of the best solid books on teaching training out there. Give this book a try and let me know what you think by leaving a comment below. Until next time, stay safe during this lockdown, which we are slowly coming out of, and good luck on your teacher training journey. Until next time, bye for now. Take care.